Miata. About to weld the crankshaft, hopefully. We got a keyway on there. I think we got it up top dead.
We think.
We think. See if she holds.
That's tech.
That's tech. Sick nasty. Alright, we got our timing on. It's a little forward, but so are these. We're gonna start her up tomorrow. It's kinda late, but we'll see if she holds. Alright, we're gonna try to start it up. Don't know where the key is, we just bought one. $14.
Oh man.
Got some iffy plugs in there.
Ready for it?
Yeah.
I guess I really need to turn this.
Yeah. Oh. Don't break it before we rip it. Alright, he's pulling her out. Put some wood in the way. Sounds a lot better.
She shifts nice.
Hell yeah.
That was 5,000 RPM.
Hell yeah.
Took it like a champ.
She's ripping.
Oh, give it a chug.
Said he's pulling up here.
I appreciate it, dude. That's fucking ridiculous. Wait, so what?
Fresh key.
Fresh key. That's dope. How? What did you guys do? Like what?
Just video, bro.
Yeah, let me see this video.
No, you gotta wait till we edit it.
How's she run? Let's fire her up, dude.
Let's get this battery off the juice. I don't know if your battery's okay. We're trying.
I have no clue. Man, I've not been in this car so long. I'm pretty sure this handbrake's still really shitty.
Yeah, it wasn't the best.
That wasn't part of the package.
I'm not gonna start it if you're fucking still cranking shit back there. Oh,
That wasn't
the
part of the rescue
bitches.
plan.
The stickers barely stayed on. Dude, oh god.
Does it turn on at all?
Yeah, it's fucking on.
Alright, crank it up.
Oh,
Oh, he forgot to drive.
something like that. Oh, what?
Send him in already.
Yeah. Buckle her in.
Give her a spin, dude. Roll the window down.
I know, I realize that I'm a dumbass, so I'm sorry. But dude, oh my god, what the fuck? Oh my god. I remember when I couldn't get this thing up a hill. I have video of that still.
Tell her to give her a circle.
Huh? Pulling it in.
Miata mission complete.
Hell yeah.
Dude, how? What did you do?
It's mission Miata, dude.
Mission Miata.
Hey, gotta, I don't know, man. Might have to sanitize now.
You probably, I'm super sorry. Alright, this is sanitary time, but you're wearing gloves, so I should have,
Hell yeah.
I'll dap you since you're wearing gloves.
Hell yeah.
I'm sorry for,
You good?
yeah, I should be alright. You
I
should
don't
be
really-
alright.
I think you're fine. but-
Yeah.
You gotta say
Go ahead and
6 feet
sanitize,
apart.
dude. Hugging? Can that be a thing? What the
Oh
fuck?
man.
What? Alright, you gotta tell me about what happened though. There has to be more to this.
Yeah.
The-
Yeah, we
Here.
welded up the crankshaft. Alright. Miata's on the road.
Let's be blessed.
He's excited. We're in the old 335.
We're escorting a illegal car right now.
Yeah. His tags are kinda expired, but
That's it. This is the real test right here.
yeah. I think he shifted to third.
Yeah. That's it.
I don't know if he will. Oh yeah.
He's ripping it, dude. So hyped right now.
Kickflip, fish try. What's up? I want to fist bump so bad because that's just my nature, but
Can't do it because COVID-19.
I gotta watch this beach. I just want to talk to her for like some hours.
To your
Like,
whip.
baby, we've been apart for a long time. I haven't been able to touch you in like, I don't know, a year almost. But we'll do something about that here soon.
We got Willis back in the whip.
Back in the whip, dude.
Looking a
Forgot
little
how fun
dirty,
that is.
dude.
Forgot how good it sounded, even though it's not like that good.
Oh, it sounds good,
It
dude.
sounds
good,
good,
yeah.
dude. It's oh man,
Fast speed,
dude, I miss it.
twin cam.
All right, now we gotta do like a transformation of like me still being. Wait, that's almost a whole year.
Oh yeah. 10 months.
Yeah, that's.
Since it's expired.
Yeah.
So who knows when that was.
It's been a long time coming to see this thing again. I've been waiting to see this drone for like, I don't know, a very long time. I've had plans to film street skating for quite a long time. and just haven't had that put in yet, which would be awesome.
That's why.
But yeah, I just haven't had the time to fucking film awesome shit, and that's number one.